Hi friends, welcome back. For the given circuit we have to find Thevenin's voltage and resistance across AB terminal. So this is voltage source with resistance. We have to convert it into current source in parallel with resistance. So this is a 3 ohm resistance. So 24 by 6 is 4. So 4 ampere in upward direction current. 4 ampere in parallel 6 ohm resistance, and here 1 ampere in downward direction. Similarly, these two convert it into current source, so it is 20 by 10, that is 20 by 10 is 2 ampere in upward direction. In parallel 10 ohm. Similarly this 30 by 15, that is 2 in downward direction because for it is opposite direction, so it is 2 ampere, and here 15 ohm. So this is cancelled, okay? And here what will become 3 ampere in upward direction, so it is 3 ampere, and 3 parallel with 6 into 3 divided by 9, so it will 2 ohm. So it's 2 ohm, and 15 parallel with 10, so 15, so it will 6 ohm, so it is 6 ohm and open because 2 cancel, so 0 ampere. So यहाँ पर बचा हमारे पास ये वाला मॉडल इतना. अब इसको हम चेंज कर देते हैं. हमें थेवेनिन्स वोल्टेज निकालना है तो हमें वोल्टेज सोर्स में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पर बचेगा 3 into 2, that is 6 volt. 6 volt in series with 2 ohm, okay. And A यहाँ पर बचेगा 6 ohm, 6 volt. So हमारे पास क्या बचा, 6 volt in series 8 ohm. So Thevenin's voltage is 6 volt and resistance is 8 ohm. Okay, so answer is 6 volt and 8 ohm. Thank you.